stop guessing on why your League of Legends confirm button is grayed out. This is exactly how you beat the client bugs and lock in your rank without failing once. Most other tutorials for this connection glitch are confusing or just plain wrong because they tell you to reinstall the entire game when the issue is actually just a stuck UI state in the lobby. Before we enter the room and start your next match, you need to understand the logic of the lobby lock, or you'll just get stuck again watching your queue timer tick up while you can't click anything. I am going to walk you through this hand in hand and step by step, so you cannot fail at getting back into the Rift. Here at Rexish, we have tested the fastest workarounds for the 2026 client version to ensure you never miss a match except. As you sit in the lobby, you might see the confirm button stays gray even after you have selected your role. Most players think they are banned or the servers are down, but the secret trick that other creators missed is a tab cycle reset. The fastest fixes rank by speed. The mode swap. Simply click on the co-op versus AI tab and then immediately click back to your standard matchmaking, ranked or normal. This forces a client to refresh the lobby state and usually pops the confirm button back to blue instantly. The custom lobby trick. If the mode swap fails, click Create Custom, enter the lobby, and then immediately leave. This clears your current party's ghost state, which is often the reason the button is stuck. Vanguard service reset. If the button is grayed out during champion select, the secret is a Vanguard VGC restart. Open your task manager, find the VGC service